What did you speak? I have gone to London yesterday. If you are speaking this, you are making a huge mistake that 90% of the people get wrong. In this video, I will be telling you when to use simple past tense and when to use present perfect tense. Past simple or simple past. It is like a closed box. Activity has been taken place and it has gone in the past. Now we don't have any possibility to do that activity. Action is finished and the time is past. So it acts like a closed box. Present perfect tense, that is I have gone, it is like an open door. It connects your past experience to the present experience. If we are little bit confused when to use, how to use, now I have one example. I watched a movie last night. This means the event is over and there is no more possibility of that event happening in that particular time frame. And this is called basically past. Action has been taken place in the past and now we don't have any possibility of happening that again. If I speak, have you watched this movie? And if your answer is no, then you can go and you can watch that movie because you have the possibility of doing that activity. It is the experience that matters here. If you don't have done, then you can go and you can do that. If there is a lunch time in your office, somebody comes to you and he is asking you, have you taken your lunch? So if you haven't done yet, you have the opportunity to do that. So this is the time frame of when anybody takes his or her lunch. Now you come your home at night and your mother is asking, did you have your lunch? It means if your answer is no, then you don't have the opportunity to go in the past and do your lunch. And this is exactly the difference, guys. When we are talking about at dinner time and we are talking about lunch, then this activity has gone to past. And this is the basic difference you should keep in mind. We have some key markers for this tense. Sometimes we are using ago, yesterday, back, last, any old date or any historical facts. And most important thing is when we are talking about apart from routine action, we got freedom in 1947. So this is old date. If I talk about I watched a movie yesterday, I met Raman 10 minutes ago. All these things are in the past. Possibility of the action is in the past. Now it is not related to our present. When we talk about present perfect, so we have the time markers. The first one is just now. Activity has taken place just now. I have taken tea just now. We always use this keyword in positive sentence only. Action has been taken place and we are speaking, I have done this right now. I have done my homework just now. So this is our just now. Yet or so far. These time markers are used only in negative sentences. It shows that activity hasn't taken place yet. For example, I speak, I haven't done my homework yet, but I have the possibility. I can go and I can do my work right now. This is the only difference. So there is a rule, guys. If I speak simple past tense, I went, here time is finished. But if I speak have gone, it means time is open. The same situation is there. That possibility is there or not. Words, for example, yesterday, last week, in 2010, 2 hours ago, we can use all these time markers just to show the action that has been gone to past. When we talk about present perfect, we have such kind of words that already, ever, never, we can use just, we can use so far. There is a very interesting trick for this question. You will have to make a question from when. If your answer is yes, for example, there is any activity, I watched a movie. If I ask, when did I watch a movie? So my answer is yesterday. If your answer is in the yes, you must use simple past tense. If your answer is no, then you can use present perfect tense. You can take this example. Fact of time. I ate lunch at 1 p.m. What is important here? This is a fact based on a specific time. I'm focusing on time that I took my lunch at 1 p.m. Here, time is hero. But if I speak, I have eaten lunch. Activity is important here. We are not talking about time. We are just telling that I have taken my lunch. It means I'm not hungry now. Action has been taken place. Now I have a question for you. You will have to fill your answer here. I dashed him yesterday. I dashed him many times. You will have to tell me where to use so, simple past tense, and where to fill present perfect tense, that is have seen. Just post your answer in the comment section. I will be checking it personally